Hey, what is going on today, guys? So we are going to be skating over to a little spot that I like to go to called Inta Juice, and today we're going to be trying I guess they're like supposed to be smoothies, but other than that, yeah, let's get to skating and see what happens. So other than that, let's get over to Inta Juice.
You said never let me go. 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 You said
Get on my head. 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 Get on my head.
So I am here at Inta Juice, and I ended up getting an Intense Dragon. It has a little bit of Red Bull dragon fruit in it, and yeah, I think it's got a few other fruits in it, but other than that, it's really good. This one actually keeps me fairly energized throughout the day, so other than that, Don't forget to like, comment, follow, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.